What colors are birds attracted to? We are all attracted to colors of some sort. Is it the same for birds and other animals? The short answer is yes. Some colors are vibrant, some are bright, some are dark, some are highly eye-catching, and others not so much. Different colors attract the eye of different species. For example, sharks are attracted to orange and yellow, so wearing either of those two in the water where there could be sharks would be highly dangerous. Most birds are attracted to bright colors, but thankfully they're not dangerous if those colors are nearby. Colors birds are attracted to. Birds see the world different than humans do, but some of them see color in a similar way that we do. They just find different colors more attractive. Pigeons see ultraviolet, therefore colors appear vastly different to them than other birds. Hummingbirds are attracted to red, pink, orange, and yellow, so anything ultraviolet wouldn't appeal to them. Bluebirds and blue jays are attracted to the color blue. Goldfinches are attracted to yellow, and orioles are attracted to orange. This proves that some species of birds are attracted to the same colors as others, but not all birds are attracted just to pink, orange, red, yellow, or blue. Some species of birds are attracted to other colors too. So if you are going to build a bird feeder and paint it orange, you'd most likely attract hummingbirds and orioles. You'd attract other birds with other colors depending on what colors you chose. But you could definitely paint a birdhouse or a feeder based on the type of bird you want to attract. It's also been said that birds protect their nests as well as attract mates by flashing the color red. Some birds are attracted to different flowers based on their color or what kind of flower it is. For example, sparrows or finches are most likely attracted to sunflowers or chrysanthemums. Birds are very interesting creatures, and their attraction to colors is all the more interesting. Want to test the theory for yourself? Build a few feeders dedicated to a few different types of birds. Paint them colors like red, yellow, brown, and green. Get food for each of the species of bird you're wanting to attract to put in the feeders, and grab a notebook to jot down your daily progress. This way you can see for yourself over time just what kind of birds are attracted to which colors. Plus, you can also learn about more different species of birds this way. A great learning experience indeed. If you like this video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our channel.